วัสดีครับผมนายสังคมเสาคำวันนี้จะมาพูดนำเสนอคุยเรื่องอาหารจานโปรดกับเพื่อนนะครับ Hello my friend I am hungry where should eat lunch Hello my friend I like the noodle shop near the gate. Do you like noodle? Yes, I like noodle, but today I want something spicy. Today have spicy food. Yes, they have tom yum. It's very spicy, but delicious. What is your favorite Thai food? My favorite is Pad Kapao. Today have Pad Kapao at the noodle shop. No, I think another store have it. Let's go there.